the maximum value of xy subject to mod x greater than equals to mod y and mod x plus mod y less than equals to 1. So first I want to plot the feasible region. So the feasible region will be given by, first of all, mod x plus mod y less than equals to 1. So for that I will have these 445-degree lines. Okay, so if I draw these 445-degree lines at x equals to y, so that is my mod x plus mod y less than equals to 1. Okay, the next is mod x greater than equal to mod y. So for that, first I want mod x equal to mod y lines. So for that I will draw x equals to y and x equals to minus y lines. Sorry. Okay, so I want to lie inside the blue circle, blue square, and for the green part, you see that the mod x greater than equals to mod y part is basically this region and this region. So these two kite shaped squares in green represent the feasible region basically. So in this feasible region now I have to optimize my xy. So if I look at my xy curves, they will basically look like this. Oh, no. And it will be tangent here. By symmetry it's going to be tangent here, and then it's going to fall down. So as you can see, if I want to maximize this particular thing in the green region, it's going to be at this point, and this point by symmetry is going to be half comma half. So this point is half comma half. Alright, so since this point is half comma half, my x into y is going to be half into half, which is 1 by